If you've decided to close your Mint Mobile account, follow these simple steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Make sure you have all necessary information handy before you begin. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start the account closure process, collect your account details such as your phone number, account number, and any PIN or password associated with your account. Step 2. Contact customer support. Reach out to Mint Mobile customer support. You can do this by calling the customer service number or using their online chat feature. Explain that you want to close your account. Step 3. Confirm your identity. Be prepared to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions or providing information related to your account to ensure that you are the account holder. Step 4. Request account closure. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ace.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Receive confirmation. After your request is processed, ask for confirmation that your account has been closed. This may be sent via email or a confirmation number provided by customer support. Once you have completed these steps, your Mint Mobile account should be successfully closed. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support again.